What is biodiversity?
Biodiversity is everything alive that's around us.
And not only the number of species, but also the composition of species.
It's also the genetic diversity.
Anything from the trees that we see, this is the plants and animals, but it's also the viruses and the bacteria.
The rainforest, leafcutter ants marching a single file along the floor and the canopy above, and lianas crawling towards the light. The deep sea, devoid of sun but crawling with creatures that live on the detritus that falls from above. Deserts, oceans, polar regions, forests, or just our backyards. The birds that arrive in spring, the small berries we find at midsummer, or the seals that sun themselves in the archipelago.
Biodiversity is all of this.
Biodiversity is so important just because it makes the ecosystem stable. It is the ecosystems.
It is a childlike curiosity that lives in all of us. Whether we are picking up a rock or sequencing a genome, life surrounds us, sustains us, and drives us.
People say we're going into the sixth mass extinction.
And as these species start to drop off, ecosystems start to fail.
Here at the Gothenburg Global Biodiversity Centre, we act as a network, connecting our partners and the public in order to explore, educate, research, and conserve biodiversity, both in our backyards and around the world.
The point of the Biodiversity Centre is to promote biodiversity through all of our partners coming together so that we can be a better environment for research, for conservation, for education, and for exploration. We do this many different ways. This can be if someone at the Natural History Museum wants to do a genetic study on some old samples that they have, they can come over and do that with us at the university. Likewise, if someone at the university has a really good idea about how they want to reach out to some school kids, maybe they want to go over to Havets and work with them.
This is biodiversity, and this is us.